Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm getting ready for an event here in Miami and I thought that I would just film what I'm doing to my skin because I'm going to be trying out a new product and I wanted to film my first impressions live on camera. So what I'm trying out today is the brand new Anna Sui Cosmetics Brightening Powder, and obviously this is the final look, so you can tell that it really did brighten my skin and my skin does look velvety and flawless. But let's just go ahead and get right into this tutorial, starting with absolutely nothing on my skin. Alright guys, so I kind of did my top shadow because I like to do my eyeshadow first usually. And you can see how pale I am. I haven't been really going out much this week because I've just been enjoying my time off, but I have my primer here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay some primer down on my skin. This is the NYX Honey Do Me Up. And I'm gonna mix it in with the new Camila Cabello Havana Sunlit Bronzer. So you can actually use this by itself or you can mix it in with your foundation. That's what the instructions say. But I'm actually gonna mix it in with my primer. So this is the medium deep one. I know I'm not deep skin tone at all, but since I'm mixing it in with the primer to dilute it, it'll be fine. Alright, so now that I'm nice and primed, I'm gonna go to my Ride or Die foundation, which is the Dior Air Flash. This is shade 301, and I'm kind of just hoping that it's gonna match my skin. Next, I'm taking the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Makeup Stick, and this actually has sunscreen in it, which is fun. But I'm gonna go ahead and use a shade that is way too dark for me to contour. The shade I'm using is 510, which is Suede, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use it like a contour stick, put it all over my face, and then buff it in with my foundation brush. For my nose contour, I'm actually gonna put a little bit onto a brush and then contour my nose because it requires a more detailed application. I'm gonna go ahead and bake under my eyes and finish my eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this brand called Anna Sui sent me a couple products to try. They sent me their brightening powder. Can we just talk about this packaging? This bag is already adorable. The packaging is my aesthetic. So this is the package for the holder for the powder, and this is the packaging for the powder. So this is what the powder case looks like. I'm just totally obsessed with this packaging. I just want to start a little cute collection of the Anna Sui Cosmetics line because of how cute their packaging is. When you open it up, they have a mirror and then the little powder puff right here, which is what you use to apply the powder. And in the smaller package, this is actually the powder, and you're just gonna pop this into the case, and I think this is so you can customize everything that you want to put into your holder. And so everything about her brand is so Japanese. It's the attention to detail, the quality of the actual palette itself. So this powder pan has shells engraved into it. It's just so luxurious, and I'm just super obsessed. So I just popped it into its holder right now. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna use the puff to put this all over my face to brighten my face and hopefully blur out any blemishes and imperfections that I have on my skin. Oh my god, so I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. My skin looks and feels like velvet. It literally just brightens my entire face and just smoothed everything out. It's almost like a real life Facetune filter on my face. So I just want to warm up my face a little bit more, so I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer from their Beached collection, and I believe this is called Bronzed. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's kind of like that, and I'm using this adorable Real Techniques brush to warm my face up. For my blush, I'm using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush in the shade Bellini Brunch. To highlight, I'm using the KKW Beauty palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and I'm just using my fingers to highlight a little bit over my cheekbones. Alright, so that's it for skin. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so I just put on my lashes. The lashes that I'm using today is called Princess from the Lady Cut Shop. I'll link it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.